Good day, everyone. This is my final project for the computer programming 2. So this is my project title, Skybook Streamline Flight Reservation System. So this is my introduction project overview. So the Skybook is a sophisticated flight reservation system designed to streamline the booking process and enhance the overall user experience. The system offers a user-friendly interface and essential features that simplify flight reservation, ensure secure transaction, and manage customer data efficiently. So, objective of my program is objective of flight reservations system project is to create a comprehensive and a user-friendly application for managing flight bookings. The system aims to streamline the process of booking flight by allowing users to sign up, log in, and reserve seat with detailed passenger information including gender and civil status. Additionally, the system provides functionalities for administrator to add and display flight, manage booking, generate receipt, and maintain an action history, ensuring efficient and organized management of flight reservation. So this is my source code. The library that I use is IOStream, IOManip, string, fstream, stdlib.h, and ctime. So I use the data structured for the passenger details, flight, booking, and login. So in struct passenger, there's a string name, int age, string contact number, string address, gender, civil status, and the class type. In the struct flight, there's a int flight number, origin, destination, country, total seat, reserved seat, class type, date, and time. So sa booking, flight number and the passenger. So the struct login composed of name and the password. So I use also functions, function declaration for my function. So I use void for save user, load user, add flight, display flight, generate receipt, reserve seat, view booking, and delete booking. So I use also pointer for the address. So you can see in the login and sign up the design. So next, so this is the login and sign up. This is the display flight, the design for my display flight. So next is, so in this code I use the fstream for the receipt of the passenger to generate receipt. So void generate receipt. So this is my receipt for the passenger. So next, this is the view booking, the design also. I use the set for the spacing. If you're using a set W, you must use the library IOMoney for the design. So next is I use also array for the origin, destination, country, flight number, seat available, date, and the time. So I use also switch statement. So you can see here the switch statement for my choices. Case 2, 3. So that's all my source code. So this source code composed of all the lectures that our teacher discussed as the arrays, pointers, functions, fstream, and the structured. So we proceed to my program output. So welcome to my Skybook. This is the main menu of my program. So you can see, welcome to Skybook admin. Number 1 is login, number 2 is sign up. So the program will ask you enter your choice. So we need to sign up first. So press the 2 button, press the 2. So sign up. So here, enter the following data. So you will enter a username, anything you want. So I will choose my name, Jake. So next is enter your password. So enter your password. So example is any password is available. So 1 2 3 4. So that's my password. So enter. So next, it will back in the main admin. I mean main menu. So next, we sign up. So we need to log in. So enter 1 to log in. So you will enter the username that we choose in the sign up. So I use my name, so Jake. So next, the password that you entered, 1 2 3 4. Then we are now in the main page of my program. So there's a 4 option here. So first is the start booking, next is the view booking, 3 is the delete booking, and 4 is the exit. So I will start the booking by pressing the 1. So I will press the number 1. So you can see here the different flight number, origin, destination, country, total seat, reserved seat, date, and the time. So you will choose a flight number on what destination you want to go. So 101, like that. So here we will enter a flight number. So you will choose a flight number. So I choose the Los Angeles. So 101. So I will enter the 101. Then enter. So here you will enter your passenger details. So the name. So Ivan. Next is the age. So 19. Next is the gender. So male. So male. Next is the civil status. So I will enter single. Next is the contact number. So 0997883299. So the address. So Lopez. Lopez. Quezon. So you enter. So the program will ask you again of class type selection. So you're free to choose first class, business class, or economy class. So for me, I will choose the first class. So you can see seat reserved for IBAN on flight 01, receipt generated and saved as receipt IBAN.text. So it means that na- nabook na natin yung flight. So next is the second option, which is the view booking. So we will enter the 2. So we can see here the detail of our book in pressing the to view booking. So flight number 101. So passenger name Ivan, age 19, gender male, civil status single, the contact number, the address Lopez Quezon, the destination Los Angeles, country USA, and the of date and time of your flight. So next, we choose the delete booking. So we need to ay wait, we will start again to start booking. So I will start another booking. So I will choose the Tokyo, Japan. So I will press the 202. the 202 flight number. So you can see here. So enter. So next, name, enter the name. So like example, I will enter the name Jake, the age 20, gender male, civil status single, contact number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, the address, so like Lopez, Quezon again. So the program will ask again what type of class you want to enter. So I will choose the 2 business class. So you can see it reserved the flight for Jake on flight 202, receipt generated. So next is the, so if we press 2, you can see it nag-add na yung nag-add na yung booking dun in the view booking. So there's a 2 book na. Ivan 19, Jake is the age 20. So we can see here. You can see here the booking. So next is we will press the 3. So in the 3, it's the delete booking. So the first thing we will do to delete the book is entering the flight number. So like example, I will delete the book of Ivan. So I will enter the 101. So the passenger name, so you will enter the name of the passenger. So Ivan. Then you'll see there's a note that booking deleted for Ivan on flight 01. So if we choose number 2, we'll see that the book for Ivan is deleted. Next, and that's all. And then we will press the 4 for the exit in our program. Then this is the end for our program. So thank you for choosing us. Safe travel and see you soon. So next, here is the generated receipt of my Skybook Airlines. So the booking confirmation, passenger details, name Jake, age 20, the contact number, address which is Lopez Quezon, gender male, civil status single, and also the flight details of the passenger, flight number 202, origin Philippines, destination Tokyo, country Japan, date of the flight and the time. So here is the booking date. This is the exact date and time right now. So that's all and thank you.